Have you ever been out wheeling and saw a hole in the woods and thought, I wonder where that goes? Well, this happened to me in eastern Canada 20 years ago. Me and my wheeling friends decided to follow it to see where it went. When we got done, we named it Crack. And just like crack, it was very addictive. That trail became infamous back on the East Coast. It was challenging, close to town, and had no bypasses. And it is still a trail everyone talks about and wants to run, even though it is really flattened out from overuse. I'm on the other side of the country now. And one day while wheeling with some new guys, I spotted another hole in the woods. I made a mental note where it was, determined to come back someday and see where it went. 6 months later, I'm back, ready for another adventure into the unknown, only this time I'm alone. Now, I don't recommend being this reckless and tell most people not to wheel alone, especially in an area like this, on a trail that looks reasonably difficult, but my curiosity got the best of me again, and this video is the result. I think I'm going to name this trail Crack West. This area was burned out a few years ago, so there's lots of downed trees, stumps, and a few rocks. The snow is reasonably deep, and I don't know what is under the snow, but if I'm going to develop a local trail, other than just the regular Fort Mac mud and muskeg, it's going to start something like this one. I really shouldn't be doing this alone, but with the risk of walking out of the woods to get a recovery vehicle, for the potential benefit of having my style of trail to play on in the future, I thought it was worth it. Unfortunately, I got to a point where there was just too many logs blocking the trail. I didn't want to change it, so I turned around for now. I will be back though to make it through to the end at a later date. I still consider it a successful attempt. I can't wait to get back for a second time and continue looking for the end. It was a great day nonetheless, out enjoying everything nature had to offer. Next time though, I think I'll try and have a few more vehicles so we can actually push a little harder and be sure to find the end of this trail.